Recording.
This what you're supposed to do.
Tap.
Look at this song. Hello.
Look at that duck. Look at that duck.
Okay, let's run it.
Look at that duck.
Look at him.
Look at that. Look at that.
I'm following this bug. Wait, where'd it go? My bug's gone.
Oh, he's like,
No. It's supposed to tap.
he just fell down.
He fell down.
Oh, hang on. Crap, I can't see anything.
I just scratched the retard.
I don't even know where he is. Well, check on my camera.
I see him. He's right over there. Do you see that?
No. I see my phone. Where? Where is he? There he is. Do the tap. Do the tap.
He's doing the tongue.
I can't see it. It's so blurry. Well, that's gonna be all. Here's the idiot's vlog, and then
No, it's not the idiot vlog. It's Dalton Pettie.
I mean Dalton Pettie, because he wants to be Cassie Simpson.
I want to be goddamn Casey Simpson.
Look at the butterfly. Hang on, I said butterfly. Hang on.
Butterfly.
Can you see the butterfly?
He's about to do the tap. He's about to do the tap.
Do the tap.
Do the goddamn guy.
He's staring at us. Okay, this is the end of the video.